Good morning to all of you. And in last chapter 6, we discussed about the major landforms of the earth, in which we discussed about mountains and different type of mountains like block mountain and if the firstly folded mountain, that is the example of Himalaya is the example of that, and many more like Urals too are the example of this. Hmm. After that, we discussed about block mountains and also volcanic mountains, and then plateaus, different type of plateaus, and plain areas, and landforms and people. Hmm. Now we are going to discuss about our country India, chapter 7. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. In the north, it is bound by the lofty Himalayas. The Arabian Sea is the west and Bay of Bengal in the west, east, and the Indian Ocean in the south was the source of the Indian peninsula. India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. The north-south extent from the Kashmir to the Kanyakumari is 3,200 kilometer, and the east-west extent from the Arunachal Pradesh to the uh, Kutch is about 2,900 kilometers. The lofty mountains, the great Indian desert, the northern plains, uneven plateau surface, and the coasts and islands present a diversity of landforms. There is a great variety in the climate, vegetation, wildlife, as well as in the language and culture. In this diversity, we find unity that is reflected in traditions that bind us as one nation. India has a population of more than 142 crores since the year 2024. It is the second most, not now, this is the first. It is the first populated country of the world. Hmm. Location uh, settings. India is located in the northern hemisphere. The tropic of center 23 and half degree half minute north passes almost halfway through the country. From south to the north, mainland of India extends between 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes. From west to east, India extends between 68 degrees 7 minute east and 197 degree 25 minute east longitudes. मतलब we are the northern east side. The location on the globe, India's location is northern east. If we divide the world into eastern and western hemisphere, which hemisphere would India belong to? Eastern. Due to a great longitudinal extent of about 29 degree, there could be a wide difference in location, time of places located at two extreme points of India. As such, the difference between these 2 points would be of about 2 hours. As you have learned Earlier, the local time changes between 4 minutes from every 1 degree of longitude. The sun rises about 2 hours earlier in the eastern Arunachal Pradesh than the west Gujarat. You have already read earlier why the local time of longitude of 82 degree 30 minute east has been taken as the India's standard time. This meridian of longitude is also termed as the standard meridian of India. Do you know large country which stretches extensively from east to west do not have single standard time for the whole country? The USA and the Canada have 7 and 6 time zones respectively. Do you remember how many time zones are there in the Russia? 11. India's night wars, the countries that are located in nearby. So there are several countries. If we go to the western side, Pakistan, Afghanistan, in southern side, northern side, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, you can say. Eastern side, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka in the southern, Maldives in the southern. Here is India's political map in which